Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Glad to be here again on another 15-minute workout challenge. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you like to get notified, turn on the notifications on so that you know exactly when we go live and when we upload any valuable content. That we'll be doing this every week, just about every day. We're uploading valuable content that can change your life literally for the better, okay? So check out the links below. Remember the 3 steps to an extraordinary life when it comes to the gym is that you need to commit to at least 15 minutes per day. Number 2, you need a clean diet. Number 3, you need to take supplements. I'm gonna be working out my chest a little bit. We're gonna mix it up to shoulders, and as you know, after I'm done with my 15 minutes, I'm gonna hit the sauna. I'm gonna do my cardio. You can do your cardio in between your 15-minute workout challenge. If you do jumping jacks or jump rope, anything that gets your cardio going, I suggest that you do it, whether in between your 15-minute workout challenge or your afterwards workout, okay? So the important thing is that we commit to the 15 minutes every single day for the long term, all right? Let's go. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it below. We're doing 3 sets of everything. Master your breathing, the technique, and the way you control the weight. You gotta breathe through your workout, okay? Every time you bring the weight down, you either inhaling, and then when you're pushing up, you're exhaling. Inhaling through my nose, exhaling through my mouth, right? That's all we need, 15 minutes per day to get in our best shape. I'm a living proof. If you wanna have an 8-pack, you wanna lose all your belly fat, then you need to incorporate some sort of ab workout in your plan. Second set. Also, make sure you go to our main website if you want to learn how to build passive income, if you want to learn how to build a successful business using the internet. Then we have the answers and the e-courses that you can take from any device and start making and building passive income, true wealth, okay? Okay, last set over here. All right. That was great. Let me get some abs in right here so you can see what I do to get my APAC. Now I'm gonna go ahead and also do some arms. But let me see. I'm gonna do 3 sets of those. Let me lift this up a little more so you can see. All right, that's perfect. Do some arms. That's good. And do 10 more. Ooh, I'm feeling those. Trust me, if you do this every time you get to the gym or every time you do your 15 minutes workout challenge, because you don't need a gym. You can do this at home. Make sure you incorporate your abs so that you can literally get your stomach in shape. When you have a strong core, everything else will follow. So focus on one of the hardest things when we work out is to get an APAC. It's not hard, but a lot of people tend to forget about that. And if you have any fat in your stomach, you want to be hitting that every day so you'll see results instantly. After a week, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna feel stronger, you're gonna have a better looking stomach. After a month, you're gonna lose tremendous amount of weight, and then you're going to start seeing your abs showing up, because we all have abs that are under our fat. Ooh. All right, ready? These are really good for you, but you can do this at home. You just need to do whatever exercise. You can do planks, anything that works out your core. Planks are really good for you because you'll be working out your whole body. Woo. Okay. I got one more set of arms, and then we can move to our next exercise. We got 5 minutes left. It's very simple. And remember, keep pushing forward. Forget about what everybody else thinks. When you work on yourself harder than you do on anything else, you'll find yourself more valuable, more confident, more determined. You'll have self-encouragement to do the things that you love to do, and you'll make your own conclusions and will provide value back to the marketplace. Okay, because you know that, hey, you're confident enough to know that you're valuable because you've been working on yourself every single day. So you can deliver back to the community in the world. All right. See how simple that was? Look, I'm already sweating. That's the whole point to doing the 15-minute workout. Let me see what we can do. Maybe here, right here. Perfect. I'm gonna be doing this machine right here. This feels amazing. I want you to understand that we're doing 15 minutes because we can actually get stuff done in 15 minutes. We don't need an hour, we don't need 45 minutes. We need to dedicate 15 minutes per day. Over time, you'll see the positive results that working out every day for 50 minutes will bring you. You'll start seeing results the first day. If you excel through the entire 15 minutes accordingly, you'll feel it like I am right now. Ready? We got 2 minutes left. Ooh. Ooh. Bump out the way a little bit. We got our last set and we got 1 minute left, so let's finish strong. Make sure you hit the follow button and leave a comment or a question if you have one. We're gonna come back and answer those for you. We appreciate your time. Woo. All right. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all platforms. Master Investor. Look for the logo. Join our community. Become part of our mission, which is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple with lucrative opportunities that build passive income and true wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the subscription. If you have any feedback, please make sure you drop it down below. I'm gonna come back and comment on any question or feedback we get here on our channel, okay? Go to our main website. I'm gonna leave some links below so that you can subscribe to our newsletter, and also visit our main website to join a wealth course. And as much, take the supplements that I'm taking, because it's going to help you lose your weight fast and get in shape very quickly, okay? Bye for now.